सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भारत योगा यूट्यूब चैनल को, सब्सक्राइब बटन प्रेस करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करना ना भूलें हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए, और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है।
Namaste. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you to this Sunday special episode of Yoga with Acharya Pratishtha. In last episode, I shared some very easy Bharat Yoga practices to stay young. But then with sharing those practices, I also told you Kalo Nayata Vaimeva Yata Trishna na Jirna Vaimeva Jirna Bhogo na Bhokta Vaimeva Bhokta. Time waits for none. Time works at its own pace. We should not try to hold time, but we should try to accept this changing time as gracefully as possible. So if you think that you will stay young forever, that is not possible. But yes, with some such techniques, you can stay young by heart and of course by body, by keeping yourself fit and fine. So in today's episode, I am going to tell you 8 such miracle foods. If you add these foods in your day-to-day life, you will stay young. And when I say you will stay young, that doesn't mean that you're going to stop your age. Age will work, age will do its work, but you will feel far better than earlier. You will feel far better than all those other people of your age, which means you will stay young. You will feel young. And I remember a beautiful poetry, Innocence and Experience, whenever I talk about staying young, where the poet said, I have seen 70-year-old kids and 7-year-old adults. So it's all your state of mind, how you keep yourself young and happy. So keep watching our upcoming videos, and if you like this video, you find it helpful, do not forget to share it with your loved ones. Let's create a world, a better world, a happy world, a healthier world all together. Dhanyavad. Hari Om.
Flaxseed, commonly known as Alsi ke beej. Flaxseed has a host of benefits. It is one of the most important food which should be included in your day-to-day life to stay young and healthy. Flaxseed has tons of omega-3s as well. Cinnamon, dalchini. Cinnamon powder or cinnamon in any form should be included in your day-to-day diet to stay young. And not only to stay young, even if you have type 2 diabetes or insulin sensitivity and are struggling to keep your blood sugar levels intact, consider doubling down on your cinnamon intake. Turmeric. Haldi. Turmeric is an amazing food, and this is the reason it is included in almost all of the Indian recipes. Turmeric owes many of its healing properties to its active compound, honey. Shahad. Honey is a common remedy for a host of ailments in ancient India as well as in today's time. Honey has lots and lots of health benefits. It also contains antibacterial properties and can aid in healing and tissue generation as well. So if you want to stay young, do not forget to add honey in your day-to-day life. Tomatoes. Tomato. Tomatoes hold the key to combat a host of ailments. Tomatoes reduce risk of developing chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Sneak some tomatoes into your everyday diet. Citrus fruits. If you really want to stay young, do add citrus fruits in your everyday diet. They are super rich in vitamin C, which helps skin look bright and refreshed. Carrots. Carrots are rich in carotenoids, a compound that may slow the appearance of aging. It increases the collagen production. Collagen is a must for healthy, nourished skin, so be sure to have some carrots in your everyday life if you really want glowing, beautiful, and young skin. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses because they are full of healthy fats, omega-3s and fiber. Pistas. Pistas are just fun to eat. They are also your eye's best defense against age-related vision damage. The colorful nuts have plentiful amounts of vitamin E. Almonds. There's more to glowing skin than facials. A diet rich in vitamin E and healthy fats will help you glow from the inside out, which is where almonds come into play. The popular nut is loaded with copper, vitamin E, which will keep your complexion supple, clear, and wrinkle-free. So if you really want to stay young, do add almonds in your everyday diet. Berries. I hope you found this video helpful. I will be uploading a new video every Sunday. Subscribe to this channel and stay connected to us. You can also like, comment, share, and send your feedback. You can also join us at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Stay healthy and happy.